When you're living out of your car for a week or more, every square inch of space matters. We are officially past the era of just throwing a sleeping bag in the back seat. 2026 has brought us a wave of ultra-smart, hyper-efficient, and surprisingly affordable gear that turns your SUV or hatchback into a mobile base camp. Forget the gimmicks. Today, I am counting down the 12 coolest, most essential car camping accessories for long trips this year. We are going from number 10 all the way down to the number 1 game changer that I refuse to leave home without. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a digital nomad living on the road, these gadgets solve real problems: dead batteries, wasted space, warm beer, and uncomfortable sleep. Let's pop the trunk and get into it. 10. The 2026 Smart Air Mattress. Let's kick things off at number 10 with a revolutionary sleep solution. If you have ever tried to sleep in the back of a crossover, you know the struggle. The rear seats never fold completely flat, and you spend the night sliding into the trunk well. Enter the 2026 Smart Air Mattress. Unlike the inflatable pool toys of the past, this mattress features built-in microsensors and a rechargeable pump. You place it in your cargo area, press a button, and it automatically inflates each chamber to a different pressure to compensate for the slope of your car. For long trips, spinal alignment is everything. Waking up with a sore back on day 3 ruins the adventure. This mattress uses a memory foam topper integrated into the air core, so it feels like your bed at home. The coolest feature for 2026 is the auto rekindle mode. If the temperature drops at 3 a.m., the mattress slightly adjusts its firmness to prevent the air from contracting and turning into a rock-hard slab. It also features a silent, brushless motor, so you won't wake your partner. Setup time is under 90 seconds, and it deflates into a stuffed sack the size of a loaf of bread. Many models now come with a built-in USB pass-through, so you can charge your phone without crushing the cord under the pillow. For less than $150, this is the single best upgrade to your actual sleeping experience. Stop using yoga mats. Your spine will thank you on day 6 of your road trip. This is the foundation of good car camping, and it is a massive upgrade for 2026. 9. The EXO Dry Cargo Roof Bag. Coming in at number 9 is something you will need once you realize you have overpacked for a 2-week trip: the EXO Dry Cargo Roof Bag. Hard-shell roof boxes are great, but they cost $800 and destroy your gas mileage. For 2026, soft bags have finally solved the 2 biggest problems: wind drag and water leakage. The EXO Dry uses a new sharkskin textured fabric that breaks up laminar airflow. Independent tests show this bag reduces drag by 40% compared to last year's vinyl bricks. On a 2,000-mile trip, that saves you roughly 3 to 4 full tanks of gas, effectively paying for the bag itself. The waterproofing is no longer a simple zipper flap. This uses a vacuum seal roll top closure, similar to a dry bag for kayaking, but stretched across a 15 cubic foot footprint. Installation is tool-free with ladder straps that feed through your door jambs without damaging the rubber seals. The coolest accessory feature? It comes with a Bluetooth pressure sensor. A small LED on the strap connects to your phone. If you drive over 75 miles per hour and the bag starts to billow, it vibrates your dash mount to tell you to tighten the straps. No more pulling over on the highway to check if your duffel bag is about to fly into traffic. For long trips where you need bulky winter gear or camp chairs, moving weight to the roof keeps cabin space free for sleeping. It is cheap, durable, and surprisingly quiet at highway speeds. For 2020, the Helio Siphon 5-gallon shower. Number 8 is a hygiene hero. After 3 days of driving through the desert or the mountains, you smell like a gym bag. The Helio Siphon is not a new concept, but the 2026 Pressure Pro version has fixed every complaint. This is a 5-gallon portable shower that pressurizes via foot pump, not by hanging from a tree branch. Why is this specifically for car camping? Because you are parked on pavement or in a lot where there are no trees. This unit sits on your tailgate. You fill it with water, pump the foot pedal 20 times, and you get a steady, adjustable spray for 7 to 10 minutes. That is enough for 2 Navy showers or 1 luxurious hair wash. The 2026 upgrade includes a heated coil. It runs off your car's 12V outlet or a power bank and raises the water temperature by 20 degrees above ambient. If it is 70 degrees out, you have a 90-degree warm shower. The nozzle now has a magnetic clip that sticks to any metal part of your car frame, so you can wash your feet without bending over. For long trips, mental freshness is as important as physical cleanliness. Being able to shower behind your lifted hatchback before crawling into your sleeping bag resets your mood entirely. It collapses flat to about the size of a laptop when empty. It also doubles as a pressurized rinse for muddy bikes or sandy dog paws. For $120, you stop spending money at truck stops and start showering with a view. If you are driving for 2 weeks, the siphon is non-negotiable. 7. The Kelty Nidal 360 Window Tents. At number 7, let's talk about privacy and airflow, which are usually mortal enemies. The Nidal 360 Window Tents are the coolest niche accessory for 2026. These are not just mesh socks that slide over your door. These are rigid, pop-up frames that clip into your car's rear window channels. When you crack your windows for ventilation on a long trip, bugs get in, and light leaks out, or in. These shades create a rigid pop-out bubble. They extend about 4 inches from the side of the car, creating a baffle. This allows air to circulate freely through the mesh sides, but prying eyes cannot see inside because the angle blocks the view. For stealth camping in rest stops or urban areas, this is gold. The 2026 model features a dual-layer magnetic system. One layer is blackout fabric for sleeping past sunrise. The other is high-visibility mesh for watching the sunset without bugs. You can switch between them without removing the frame. The genius addition this year is a built-in rain gutter. The top lip channels water around the gap, so you can keep windows fully open even during a downpour without soaking your headrest. They are custom laser cut for specific makes and models: Toyota RAV4, Subaru Outback, Honda CR-V, etc. So they fit perfectly. No flapping fabric. No duct tape. They store flat under your seat. For long trips where you might sleep in the car for 7 nights straight, the ability to get cross-breeze without being eaten alive or seen by strangers is priceless. It turns your metal box into a breezy screened porch. 6. The Nomad Ridge Solar Blanket. Sliding into number 6 is the power solution for 2026, the Nomad Ridge Solar Blanket. We all have power banks. We all have solar panels. The problem is that traditional rigid panels take up your entire roof rack, and floppy blankets overheat and lose efficiency. The Nomad Ridge solves this with a ridged fabric. Think corrugated cardboard, but solar cells. Why does this matter for long trips? Because you are driving for hours, then parked for days. You need to recharge your fridge, laptops, and camera batteries without idling the engine. This 120-watt blanket folds up to the size of a thick magazine, but opens to cover your entire windshield or hood. The corrugated design creates an air gap between the fabric and the hot hood of your car. Heat kills solar efficiency. By keeping the cells cool, the Nomad Ridge produces power 35% faster than a flat black blanket in direct summer sun. It comes with a built-in MPPT controller, maximum power point tracking, which usually costs an extra $100 on its own. You just clip it to your portable power station, like an EcoFlow or Bluetti. The cool camp mode feature, an LED light strip sewn into the perimeter, turns on via a light sensor. At dusk, it provides ambient task lighting for your cooking area while the blanket is still lying on the ground. It is virtually unbreakable. You can step on it, fold it into a ball, or throw it in a duffel bag. For a 14-day road trip where you are not staying in hotels, running out of juice is a disaster. This blanket ensures your electric cooler keeps the steaks frozen on day 10. It is silent, free energy. And in 2026, that is the coolest flex of all. 5. The Bear-Proof Slide-Out Kitchen. Number 5 is for the serious overlander, but it is too cool not to include the Bear-Proof Slide-Out Kitchen. In 2026, modularity is king. This is a steel frame that bolts directly to your cargo tie-downs. It supports a sliding drawer that extends fully out of your trunk, revealing a cutting board, a 2-burner propane stove, and a sink. But the cool factor for long trips is the organization. You know the frustration of having to unpack your entire trunk to find the spatula at the bottom. With this slide out, you keep heavy gear, water jugs, recovery boards, tool kits underneath the slide. Your cooking gear lives on the slide itself. When you stop for lunch, you open the tailgate, pull the handle, and a full kitchen appears in 10 seconds. The 2026 model features silent glide, locking tracks that hold position even on a 20-degree incline. It also has a built-in cutting board made of bamboo infused with antimicrobial silver to handle raw meat safely. The sink hooks up to a 5-gallon jerry can via a simple hand pump. The best hidden feature? The sides of the drawer are hollow and contain magnetic spice jars and a knife strip. For long trips, stopping to cook is often the most time-consuming part. This system reduces setup and breakdown time from 20 minutes to 2 minutes. You are more likely to cook a healthy meal and less likely to eat fast food. It is heavy, about 60 pounds, and it is expensive, for $100, $600. But if you live out of your car for weeks at a time, this turns your vehicle into a mobile tiny home. It keeps dirt, grease, and smell sealed away from your sleeping area. 4. The AeroPress Go Plus. You might think a coffee maker is boring, but hear me out. Number 4 is the AeroPress Go Plus Titanium Edition. In 2026, the standard plastic AeroPress got a massive glow-up for the road warrior. The problem with French presses is the broken glass. The problem with pour-overs is the need for a gooseneck kettle. The problem with instant coffee is the taste. The AeroPress solves it all, but the new Go Plus titanium model is specifically engineered for car camping vibration. It is a complete brewing system that nests into itself. The mug, the stirrer, the filter holder, and the press all collapse into a titanium cylinder that fits in your cup holder. Why titanium? Because you can put it directly on a camp stove or a jet boil. You can heat your water in the same vessel you brew in, saving weight and space. The 2026 upgrade includes a flow control filter cap that allows for inverted brewing without spilling hot water on your lap when a truck hits a pothole. For long trips, that morning ritual is crucial. Making a genuine, rich, espresso-style coffee without electricity or disposable pods makes waking up in a dusty trailhead feel luxurious. It is indestructible. You could literally run this thing over with your car, pick it up, and make coffee. It weighs 12 ounces. No cords. No batteries. Compared to a Keurig Mini, which draws 1,000 watts and requires an inverter, the AeroPress uses zero energy. If you are rationing power for your fridge and lights, the AeroPress is the superior tool. Great coffee, no waste, no drama. Essential for days 4 through 14. 3. The Ghost Magnetic Phone and Tablet Mount. Number 3 is the unsung hero of navigation fatigue, the Ghost Magnetic Dash Mount for 2026. We have all used the vent clips that snap off when you hit a bump or the suction cups that fall off on a hot day. The Ghost system uses a new adhesive gel that actually gets stronger in heat and a neodymium magnet array that holds an iPad Pro steady on a washboard road. Why is this a car camping accessory specifically for long trips? Because when you are driving 8 hours to a national park, your phone is your GPS, your music player, and your offline map. You need to glance at it without taking your eyes off the road for 2 seconds. The Ghost mount places the phone directly in your line of sight, hovering just above your dashboard, not blocking the windshield. The 2026 Deep Freeze version includes a passive cooling fin. Everyone knows that direct sunlight on a dashboard causes your phone to overheat and dim the screen or shut down entirely. The aluminum back of the Ghost mount acts as a heat sink, dropping the phone's temperature by 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Your screen stays at 100% brightness even in the Mojave Desert. It also includes a camp mode wall plate. You can take the magnetic ball head off the dashboard and stick it to a metal plate on your cooler or picnic table, turning your mount into a stand for watching movies at the campsite. It is a tiny, $40 piece of metal, but the reduction in driving frustration is immense. No more looking down at your cup holder to see if you missed the turn. Safe, cool, and magnetic. It changes the driving half of camping just as much as the sleeping half. 2. The Mica 12V Heated Blanket. Coming in just before the number 1 spot at number 2 is the Mica 12V Heated Blanket. Let's be clear, running a space heater off your car battery will kill it in 45 minutes. But a heated blanket? That runs on 45 watts instead of 1,500 watts. The Mica blanket is a 2026 breakthrough because it finally abandons polyester fleece, which creates static electricity, for a merino wool blend. Why wool? Because car camping in spring or fall means condensation. In a tent or a car, moisture builds up, A polyester blanket makes you sweat, then you freeze. Wool wicks moisture and stays warm even if damp. The mica blanket integrates ultra-thin carbon fiber heating wires that are literally woven into the fabric. You cannot feel them. They don't create pressure points. The intelligent thermoregulation chip is the cool part. Instead of just high, medium, low, it monitors the ambient temperature inside your car. If it drops from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 40 degrees Fahrenheit at 2 a.m., the blanket automatically increases heat output to keep you at a stable 70 degrees Fahrenheit microclimate. It plugs directly into your car's 12V outlet, cigarette lighter, or a power station. It draws so little power that a standard 500 Wh power station could run this blanket for 2 full nights without recharging. For long trips, this eliminates the need for a 0-degree sleeping bag that takes up half your trunk. You can bring a light summer sleeping bag and just throw the mica blanket over you. It is safe for pets, low voltage, chew-resistant cord. It is machine washable. For the love of all that is holy, stop using propane heaters inside your car. Carbon monoxide is real. This blanket is silent, safe, and toasty. It extends your camping season by months. 1. The Stowmaster Hub. Finally, the #1 coolest car camping accessory for long trips in 2026 is the most boring-looking but most life-changing item. I have saved the best for last because without organization, a long trip becomes a nightmare of lost keys, melted chocolate, and dirty socks touching your toothbrush. The Stowmaster Hub is a modular, collapsible trunk shelving system. It looks like a honeycomb of nylon and aluminum rods. When collapsed, it is 2 inches thick. When expanded, it creates a 3-story shelf system that fits perfectly in the back of any mid-size SUV. Here is why it wins for 2026. It uses a pass-through design. The shelves are open on one side, so you can slide a 40-quart cooler into the bottom slot, a camp stove into the middle, and dry food bins on the top. But the genius is the quick-release buckle system that lets you remove one shelf entirely and turn it into a camp table. Yes, the shelf pulls out, legs fold down from the aluminum frame, and you have an instant side table for your stove. For long trips, the stress of where did I put the lighter, or is the headlamp buried under the tent, is a constant mental drain. The Stowmaster Hub eliminates that. Everything has a floor, kitchen on bottom, clothes in the middle, electronics on top. It also creates a dead air space. If you have a fridge, the airflow around the Stowmaster actually improves cooling efficiency. It is lightweight, 4 pounds, holds 150 pounds per shelf, and requires no tools to install. It just friction fits against your rear seats and tailgate. For $180, it is the cheapest therapy for Type A personalities on the road. It turns chaos into order. That is the coolest accessory of 2026. There you have it, the 12 coolest car camping accessories for your long hauls in 2026. From the Stowmaster keeping your sanity intact to the mica blanket keeping you warm at 3 a.m. This gear is designed to solve the specific pains of living out of a vehicle for a week or more. Remember, the best accessory isn't the most expensive one. It is the one that solves your specific frustration. Do you hate the dark? Get the window tents. Do you hate being dirty? Get the shower. Do you hate cold coffee? Get the AeroPress.